Hello everyone, welcome to this video about The Spectator, one of the most important magazines of the 18th century. Today, we will explore its history, the contribution of its two main writers, the topics it covered, and why it was so influential. We will keep everything simple and easy to understand. So, whether you are a beginner or just curious, this video is perfect for you. Now, let's discuss what is The Spectator. The Spectator was a daily periodical published in 18th century England, aimed at educating and entertaining its readers. It combined essays, social commentary, and moral discussions with the goal of improving the cultural and intellectual life of society. The Spectator was created by two friends, Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. They were both writers and wanted to create a magazine that could teach people valuable lessons while also entertaining them. The first issue of The Spectator was published on March 1st, 1711. It came out every day except Sunday and ran for 555 issues until December 6, 1712. Later, in 1714, they bought it back for 80 more issues. Addison and Steele wanted to improve people's lives by teaching them about good behavior, culture, and critical thinking. They aimed to reach the growing middle class and provide content that was both interesting and educational. Now, let's discuss the contribution of Addison and Steele to the Spectator. Richard Steele's contributions. Steele was instrumental in starting the Spectator and shaping its early issues. He contributed about 236 essays to the magazine. His writing was more personal and often focused on practical advice on social and moral behavior, observations of daily life and how people could improve their manners, emotional and reflective topics about family life and relationships. Staley's essays were often direct and aimed at helping readers navigate everyday social situations. Joseph Addison's contributions. Addison, on the other hand, contributed around 274 essays to The Spectator. His writing was more reflective and focused on moral and philosophical themes, encouraging readers to think deeply about their actions. Cultural discussions on literature, art, and theatre. Broader reflections on human nature and society. Addison's essays were calm, thoughtful, and aimed at improving readers' minds and morals. Together, Addison and Steele provided a perfect blend of practical advice and deep reflection. Now, let's discuss how was the Spectator written. Each issue of the Spectator featured a single essay. These essays were short and easy to read, covering topics from serious ideas to everyday issues like fashion and good manners. The writers used clear and simple language, making it easy for everyone to understand, even those who didn't have much education. It felt like the writers were having a friendly conversation with the readers. Now, let's discuss about the Spectator Club. The fun part of the Spectator was the Spectator Club, a group of fictional characters who represented different types of people in society. These included Sir Roger de Cowley, a kind, virtuous country gentleman who represented traditional English values; Will Honeycomb, a fashionable worldly man symbolizing urban sophistication; Captain Sentry, a soldier representing honor and discipline; Clergyman, a learned and moral figure emphasizing religious values; the Merchant, a practical man embodying the rising middle class. These characters made the essays more relatable and entertaining. Now, let's discuss what did the Spectator talk about. One of the main goals was to help people improve their morals. Addison and Steele believed their essays could help readers become more honest, kind, and polite. The Spectator often discussed the customs and manners of the time. It gave advice on how to behave politely in public, the importance of respect in conversations, and warned against focusing too much on money and appearances. Addison had a love for the arts, so many essays discussed theatre, books, and paintings. These helped readers learn about the appreciate and different forms of art. They didn't just stick to serious subjects. They also wrote about everyday things like fashion trends and how to dress properly, the benefits of coffee houses for socializing and learning, advice on relationships and family life. They also covered women's issues. Even though it was written by men, The Spectator includes essays on women's education and roles. Addison and Steele encouraged women to read, learn, and engage in intellectual discussions, which was a progressive idea at the time. Now, let's discuss why was the Spectator important. The Spectator had a big impact on 18th century society. It helped shape how people thought and behaved, encouraging them to reflect on their lives and society. The magazine helped create the modern style of journalism. It showed that writing could be both educational and entertaining, setting a new standards for magazines and newspapers. The Spectator was part of the Enlightenment, a movement that promoted reason and knowledge. By sharing these ideas, it helped people think critically and question old traditions. Even after it stopped publishing, The Spectator continued to influence writers and thinkers. Its essays are still studied today for their clear writing and important messages. Thank you for watching this video about The Spectator. We have explored its history, the contributions of Addison and Staley, the main topics is covered, and its impact on society. This magazine not only entertained its readers, but also helped them learn and grow. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on literature and history. See you next time and keep exploring the world of knowledge.